Hello, welcome to Language Talk. Let's learn English vocabulary about school in 1 minute. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon in order not to miss our next lessons. Let's get started. Around campus. Classroom. Classroom. Teacher. Teacher. Restrooms. Restrooms. Hallway. Hallway. Locker. Locker. Main office. Main office. Clerk. Clerk. Cafeteria. Cafeteria. I hope you learned well. Practice this video several times and please subscribe to our channel to support us. And if you want to be the first person who enjoys our lessons, hit the bell icon. Goodbye.